Subscribe and follow. Cruising with the Turbo Timber. Using the Caddx Peanut Camera. So stable at slow speeds. Half flaps and 25% throttle. Low and slow for yaw. Half flaps and 50% throttle. Coming in for a landing. Psych, just a low flyby. Some touch and goes. Butter. I can see why this is top 5 of our seaplanes. I need to work on my crosswind landings. The navigation lights look great in daylight. Looks scale AF. How you like my drifting? Thanks for watching. Subscribe and follow.